Hi there, it's Claire from Clairified Creations. Excuse the bit of an echo, but welcome to my brand new apartment tour. I am so excited to be here. If you guys don't know the story with my old apartment, I basically moved out after only living there for not even a month and a half. No, about a month and a half, not quite 2 months, because of a roach infestation. So if you want to learn all about that, I have another video posted that kind of explains the apartment hunting process again. I did end up breaking my lease because it was a horrible, horrible situation to be in. And now I'm here, so I'm going to go over some of the specs of this place. I am in another 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment, and it is approximately 700 square feet. Let's go ahead and get into the tour. This is the door, standard door, and if you turn around, you'll see the living room, which is a good size. And oh my goodness, this thing right here is a luxury to have. My old apartment did not have any light in the living room, and it was very sad. And there's a fan, so that is nice too. So this living room, kind of give you guys an overview. These floors are definitely laminate. They're not real hardwood, but that's okay. Who really cares? And this is the kitchen. When you turn around from the living room, you get the amazing kitchen. Look at how big the kitchen is. It is actually crazy, especially for an apartment where it has all these stainless steel appliances. This right here is most likely one of my favorite areas. I love it. It is huge. I mean, look at the sink, you guys. Do you see how ginormous it stretches all the way from here? Let's see, it turns on beautifully, chrome. Everything works, nothing is wonky. It's so nice. We've got plenty of drawer space. Looking good, brand new. So many drawers. Under the sink storage, a very nice dishwasher, and the brand is even GE. Let's see. Very good. 2 racks. This is nicer than the dishwasher we have in Tennessee, to be honest, at my parents' house. More storage, counters. I think the plan for this area right here is to add some bar stools. This particular unit does not have any space for a dining room, which is completely okay because honestly the kitchen is big enough where if I really wanted to, I have a little 4-foot folding table that I could put in the middle and make it sort of like an island. But my grandparents did say they have some bar stools they could give me. So my plan is to put one right here and one right here, and that'll kind of be like our dining table. And then my actual folding table, I'm just probably going to give to my boyfriend because he's been needing a table anyways, and I don't really have a need for it. Why is this working? Okay, there we go. So that is the plan as far as dining room, you might have been wondering. And if you also are wondering about this kind of noise, it's a little bit noisy, sorry about that. I did just turn the heat on, and my guess is it hasn't been turned on in a little bit, so it's kind of a little bit loud, and it's echoey in here because the ceilings are pretty big. Now this side, it is just amazing. Look, a microwave that hopefully doesn't scream at me. A stove that works. Nothing is wonky or not level because my other place, the burners were like that, so every time you put a stick of butter or anything liquid in it, it would all go to one side, and that just means uneven cooking. More counter space, so much cabinets. I definitely have plenty of room for all of my kitchen gadgets and more. The fridge, also a Whirlpool brand. Let's see what these look like. Very nice. And I don't think these shelves are gonna collapse. Well, I say that and then look, but they feel pretty sturdy, not like what I'm used to. And they close really nice. Let's see. Look at that. They're very soft closing, which is a huge perk. So you go from the fridge all the way down this way, and there is a door to the pantry, which is a good size. I did just put my shoes there to make the apartment look kind of more aesthetically pleasing. Wow, it actually goes all the way back here. So that's kind of crazy. I don't know how far I want to go back there because it's sort of a little hard to reach, but it's good knowing that it's so big. I can definitely fit a lot of food in there, and honestly, I don't know. We'll see if I use this as more storage or maybe just extra household items. So we're gonna go this way into the bathroom. So we've got more quartz countertops, a beautiful sink. It looks like a hotel sink. And it works. Just a standard shower. Let's see, is the shower even? It sure is. It's completely level. My one I used to be at, it was slanted like that, sort of like a curve, and they had just painted over it. So it's nice to know that I'm not going to fall in a shower. Overview, and I didn't actually know this was here until just a minute ago, but there's this nice little corner space, which I think will be perfect to put maybe some towels or my organizer. I have a little bathroom organizer that just has a bunch of things in it, like hair things and just extras that don't need to all be on my counter. So quartz, open it, it's a good size. And then immediately across from the bathroom is the bedroom, which also, ta-da, has a fan. We love fans in this place. Learned that I have to sleep with a fan. I didn't really think about that, but it's very true because when I did not have a fan, I realized I needed one because I like air circulation. Even if I'm freezing, there just always has to be some sort of air movement because otherwise I get hot and I'm still cold. It's a very weird situation. I'm gonna go ahead and close this door so maybe it'll be a little quieter. Very nice tall ceilings, beautiful fan. And this is a standard 11 by 11 bedroom, which is a good size. It's not huge like the one in Tennessee, but certainly is it's clean, no roaches, I'm happy. I'm gonna go inside here. They provided me with this trash can. They do valet trash services, so you just put it outside your door. This is the walk-in closet / laundry room. Isn't this crazy? I mean, you could fit an entire, I'm gonna say you could probably fit my full-size bed. That might be a little bit ambitious, but you guys, for reference, okay, I am 5'4", and I still have a little room. So I would guess this is maybe 5'8" in width. So you can definitely fit a twin size bed for sure. So if I ever have any guests over and I need somewhere to go, we'll put them right in this room because it's basically like an extra bedroom. My closet is huge, which I am a fan of. I love walk-in closets. I have a lot of clothes and it's just good to have some space. I'm thinking I'm probably going to put my dresser right there because it'll make the bedroom a little less crowded and I have plenty of space in here. So that's most likely what I will end up doing there, or maybe here. It might be better here. We'll just kind of have to play around with it and see, because I need access to the washer and dryer, and it did come with it, which I love a washer and dryer because it makes your life so much easier. We've got the standard Amana, which I already kind of had in Tennessee when I lived in an apartment with my other roommate. Shout out to Sydney. Her parents actually got us a washer and dryer set. It's hers, of course, but I was able to use it too because it was sort of like a housewarming gift. And this was the exact set we had, so I already know how to use it. And that is good. I know for a fact it doesn't scream. And that is my whole apartment. I just cannot believe that I'm living here. I did not expect myself to be moving. Everything is just kind of worked out, and this girl is so grateful. And I don't have words. I really don't. It has been an absolute nightmare where I've been at. to say the least. And I have found so many roaches. It's been crazy. Thankful for a new start, to start over and be here. So if you guys want to follow along, I'll definitely keep you updated, sharing about what it looks like after maybe. I might do a completed tour in a few months when I get everything decorated. But for now, if you all want to subscribe, I am a brand new oncology nurse. I've been working as an oncology nurse for about a month now, and I post all sorts of content, mostly lifestyle, some about nursing, and some just random. So if you like what you see, definitely hit subscribe. I will see you guys later. Bye.